Hello everybody, this is Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan. Welcome back to another plan with me. This week I am memory planning the week of May 4th. At this point I would normally say in my Erin Condren Life Planner. However, because of recent events, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about if you're in the planner community. If not, it's definitely worth a quick Google. I'm not going to be mentioning Erin Condren on my channel for the time being, and I'm not going to be linking out to any of her products or anything like that. I think I have some Plan With Me's filmed already, but for the ones going forward, I'm also going to white out a lot of the stuff that would make it recognizable as an EC. So just a heads up on that. I do have my 2020 planner, obviously, that I've been using, and I actually already have my 2021 one, but I'm going to figure out what that looks like for me going forward without being wasteful. So we'll see, but just wanted to give you a heads up on that. Okay, on to more fun stuff. I am using this kit from Planning World. She recently reformatted her kits and they are so good. I have been raving about it on Instagram forever, and I finally was able to use this one. I think this is the only kit that I've bought so far from the reformat, but she has a couple more that I like. After using this, I just can't wait to get my hands on them. The reformat is so good. I just really feel like Yuan listens to what people are wanting in kits, and she pays attention, and she just did such a good job, like truly. It was this, you may notice that this video is actually pretty fast Plan With Me. Like some of my other Plan With Me's can be up to twice as long, and I just make them twice the speed. And like I think that it's because literally there's so many good stickers in this kit that I didn't have to reach for like a ton of other shops. It makes it a lot easier when everything, or at least a lot of what I need, is just like already in the kit. So yeah, I really loved planning with it. It's super foiled. I also got the B6 version. I really like to have the B6 version from her because there's like extra boxes and headers. She totally filled the kits with a ton of half boxes, quarter boxes, and third boxes. Thank you, Yuan, for the third boxes. Everything is super foiled. The spread turned out so foiled. And she just added a lot of like unique elements that I'm super into. Like the scallop is from the kit that I'm using right here. She always has super cute deco included. That May script, by the way, is from Letters to Apollo. I feel like I always try, not that I always do, but I always try to mention where the script that I use in the upper left hand corner is from, but I feel like I get a ton of questions about it. So Letters to Apollo for this week at least. But yeah, I'm just cutting down some washi in the sidebar and stuff. I love the checklist that she has. She's actually always had those in her B6 one that I just put down, but I love that she included a lot of good washi, because I like cutting down washi and adding it, like especially header sized washi. And she also included all of the headers are so cool. They're like just kind of different from what you usually see, but they're foiled, and like these ones have hearts and bows and like some sprinkled foil. I don't know, just super cute stuff that I really really liked using. So definitely go check out her kits. I do PR for her. My code is Lauren15, but I swear to you, I don't gush about shops just because I do PR for them. I only do PR for shops that I really love, and yeah, I like, these are my genuine like thoughts, feelings, and excitement. I can't fake it. All right, on to the day by day. So I marked working from home every day this week with those Panda Bird design scripts, work from home scripts, which are super cute. I had asked her to make those and I love them. I'm obsessed with them. I actually just gave me a coupon code, which I'm super excited about. Her shop is closed right now, but I will talk more about that once her shop opens. Okay, I also marked my meetings with some deco from the kit, and then I did some meal prepping this day, and I marked that with some Crafts by Towie utensils. I used a lot of Simply Gilded washi in this kit too. I've said this before, but I feel like any kit where I can use the pink with the champagne gold foiled bows in my planner just makes me super happy. And then so I used a lot of that this week, and then I also marked just having a lazy evening with some deco from the kit and a Giving Girl bow over top. I think all of the bow overlays that I used in the spread are from the Giving Girl. Yeah. And so they're either from Harriet Wright Designs or the Giving Girl, and it's always easier if I just say, if I just do them all the same throughout the whole spread, so I don't have to keep repeating it over and over again. Okay, on to Tuesday, I put down the full box up top, again, marked working from home with those flags. So cute. They're like, they don't take up the full width of that standard size column, and which I love because I cut my flags down to do that anyways. But they come like that, which is awesome. And they're like this foiled quilted pattern. I don't know. It's just super cute. Okay, I marked having 4 meetings this day with these little scallops that she added to the kit. There's a ton of them and I love them. I love when shops add little decorative pieces like that are unique. It's just, that's like what makes kits good, is the unique stuff that are in them, you know, because like a lot of shops use all the same artwork. So it's just really down to the unique, cute stuff in your kit that makes me want to purchase it. You know what I mean? Okay, I just skipped over a bunch of stuff, but I marked Cinco de Mayo, not that we really celebrate it. I know it's a very Americanized holiday, but I had the art box sticker scripts and it looked really pretty, so I added that in. I marked that I did a lot of online shopping this day with a White Deer stationery bag. I had a virtual doctor's appointment this day. I just used stickers from the kit to mark that. And then Steven and I did a Taco Tuesday this night and he made margaritas, which was fun, so I used a Crafts by Towie drink, actually like a mark sticker, to mark that. Okay, everything on Wednesday, work from home, 1 meeting, all that's from the kit. We talked about that. I also ordered my mom and my mother-in-law flowers to get delivered to their homes this weekend because this was the week of Mother's Day. So that's a White Deer stationery bouquet. The flowers were beautiful. They were from my florist for my wedding and they turned out so beautiful. I was so pleased with that. I also marked cooking this day with some stickers from the kit. Oh yeah, did I mention this was Mother's Day week? I don't think I did. This kit is like very Mother's Day vibes to me because, well, it was just like a perfect kit for this week. I felt like it was springy, had Mother's Day vibes. It's also very like home themed and craft themed, which is kind of perfect for the quarantine stuff. So it was just one of those weeks where like it was just a perfect kit for the week. I think on Wednesday, I missed that I started doing some sticker organization. You'll see that kind of throughout the rest of the week. I don't know if I started, but I was working on it. That's been one of my like biggest projects throughout this whole quarantine, is getting my stickers organized. I just used some planner deco from the kit to mark that. Okay. On to Thursday, work from home, meetings, all that. We've already talked about all that. I also marked that I did an Instacart order this day with a Crafts by Towie phone. I marked painting my nails with the GP Sticker Studio nail polish that I like to cut down and add the bows to. I have a coupon code for her too. It's Lauren PR20. And then I marked working late with a Panda Bird Design laptop girl and then some more stickers from the kit. They're these little like corner scallop things that I added to a couple of the half boxes just for more foil. Super cute. Stuff like that I feel like is what made this spread so foily and great. Okay, on to Friday. I am marking my day off with the scripts from Panda Bird Design that match the work from home scripts, and I just find that really satisfying for those to match. I like when all my scripts can match, but that doesn't always work, obviously. But I especially like if I'm marking like working and days off, I like those scripts to match, like, or they have to match. I don't know if that's true. Anyways, okay, I just used some deco from the kit to mark that. I marked that I did some cookbook meal planning when I just sat down and meal planned with my cookbooks. I find that so relaxing. That book is from Panda Bird Design. And then I marked my sticker organization, doing more of that with a one of those scallops from the kit. And then this day is also the anniversary of my husband's best friend passing away, so I marked that with a heart from Panda Bird Design and a sticker from the kit too. Okay, here I was just mixing around some of the headers. Like I said, she has all of these unique headers, and there's like single bows and heart headers in the kits, and they're so cute. The headers that I used up top are the header add-on actually, but the bow and heart ones that I used over the full boxes come with the kit. I just had to rearrange some of the colors. Okay, I marked sleeping in with some lashes from Simply Watercolor Co. I have a coupon code for her too down below. I marked working on my D-Stash Instagram page. I have it I haven't like posted about it anywhere because I still am not done. Like I said, it's been a huge project. I'm trying to clear out years and years worth of stickers. I also went grocery shopping this day. I used a White Deer stationery cart to mark that. I filmed a video. I used some deco from the kit, and that film video script is from Planning San Diego. And then I made these, they're called Southeast Asian bowls, I think, or Southeast Asia bowls from one of my recipe books. They were super good. And I used some White Deer stationery, like a place setting to mark that. And then the heart that I used there is from Sticky Sloth Designs, who I again have a coupon code for. Okay, on to Sunday. It was Mother's Day. I used a Giving Girl box to mark that with Artbox stickers, script over top, and some deco. I marked waxing. Holy crap, the quarantine did me dirty. That was not fun. The wax is from Paper Blush Bar. Again, I have a code for her too. All my coupon codes are always listed down below. We went to brunch over at my in-laws' house, which was really nice. It was very socially distanced, but I marked that with some Crafts by Towie utensils. That was really nice to see Steven's mom. And then in the afternoon, we went over to my parents' house to celebrate with my mom. My sisters had set up like these blind wine tastings, 2 of them for whites and reds, and that was super fun. So we did that, and I marked that with a Miss Just Plans wine glass. And then we also had some Zoom calls with both sides of our family later that afternoon. So I marked that with a tasseled planner sticker and a Zoom script from Panda Bird Design. All right, that was quick. I don't know why that felt so fast. I'm like, my mouth feels dry just from talking so quickly, so I apologize if that was hard to listen to. But this is the whole spread. I really like how it turned out. Again, the kit was just so good, so I totally recommend checking out Planning World if you like this kit, or like all the like foiled stickers and stuff in here. It was super easy to use. But I think that's pretty much it for me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.